Hey guys, well, wanted to talk about one thing. So, my Echo CS-310, I don't have it right in front of me, but I wanted to make this video to talk about, and hopefully it'll help, because I can't really show it on camera, and gonna do much good. Anyways, the other day, I replaced the sprocket, needed to be replaced, that worked great. Put a new bar and chain on there, worked great. And then my next issue came down to replacing some of the fuel lines. So I did that, and that didn't go as planned. And I do want to say nothing is kinked, everything is clear. The saw was running on Monday. It is Friday. I don't know when this is gonna be uploaded, but that won't make a lot of sense. But it is getting no fuel through the main line, and it is clear. I even took the fuel filter off and tried that. It only starts when you prime it and choke it, and that's it. It starts and it runs until it runs out of the prime, the fuel that's been primed into it. And so that's that. And it only, and then another thing to try to start it is, pouring gas or carburetor cleaner, whatever, down directly into the carburetor, or down into the piston, taking the spark plug out. It'll run for a while, and kind of put a lot in there, and it'll run for a while, and then you give it some gas, and it kind of goes, and then it dies as soon as it runs out of fuel. But it just will not get fuel through the main line. That's the problem I'm having. It's very weird. I've had to take it apart, probably because I've tried to figure out if I've switched something. It's hard. It's more difficult to work on, chainsaw like that. It's not much workroom with the fuel line. So if you want to see anything, you gotta take the carburetor out and get it out of the way to check your fuel lines, or to, see whatever else you're trying to look at. It's not like working on a weed or anything, but you get the point. I've taken it apart multiple times. I've tried, there's that little notch in that tank, and I've switched it around now where the main line is on the other side of that little groove in there, where the main line is supposed to it's like a guide, I guess. But I put it on the other side so the line wouldn't kink at all, and it just won't do anything any different. Tried for a long time today. I did go in and clean the carburetor twice, but it doesn't make sense why it would need cleaning if, when I was running it on Monday, it was running just fine. Ran it for a long time, I was trimming some limbs around my house here. Runs fine, started up good, everything. And then when I decided to go ahead and replace 2 fuel lines that are no good, we're not working anymore. So I don't know what the deal is. I think what it's going to end up being is probably going to end up getting a new carb, and maybe, I don't know, we'll try a new carb and see what that does. But that's a little while down the line, because I don't know if I'm going to order a clone off of Amazon, just a cheap one off of Amazon. I've had pretty good luck with them, but I'm kind of unsure how that one will work. So probably just going to go OEM for it, since it's only 2 years old. But it just doesn't make sense, guys. This all was running on Monday. I go in and place the sprocket, new bar, give it some good attention. I mean, I take good care of it. I do the maintenance on it every year, and make sure the air filter, spark plug, fuel filter, everything is clean all the time, and nothing is leaking or wrong with it. And that's why I replaced it. One of the fuel lines was leaking, and then the other one was not in good shape anymore. So I took it all apart, but I kind of have a feeling that the carb may just be dead, and just maybe gone. So it's kind of what I'm thinking. So we'll just have to see what else happens. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much that. So if you guys have any idea of anything that I could look at, or if you have a car recommendation, or if you got anything where I could look for a problem that there could be that I've overlooked, you know, just please put it down in the comments below. It will be appreciated. And when I'm back around messing with that saw sometime, when I've got some time, I will use these comments. So anyways, that's pretty much that. Otherwise, yeah. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. Anyways, bye.